Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to manage your interest on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. And then here you can click on profile icon at the bottom. After that, press on your profile at the topmost. Okay, after that, select your profile here. And then if you want to manage your interest, then click on this option. Okay, then here you can select the option based on your Amazon activity and popular interest. Okay, and then click save here. That's the tutorial on how to manage your interest on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.